Hello my people, I have recreated this very famous 80s inspired glamorous look, and I have taken the inspiration from ever so famous Lisa Eldridge, and it's my take on. However, I just loved how she recreated. She added lots and lots of blush, and I literally love how she uses her brushes, her techniques, and she won't put too much but will use a lot of light strokes, which is fabulous. Fuchsia is a little too bright.
Fuchsia's bright.
The fuchsia is very bright.
And I have tried to recreate the same look using desi products, basically whatever we have available in Indian market. Guys, so if you want to know how I recreated this 80s inspired glamorous look inspired by Lisa Eldridge herself, then please keep on watching the video till the very end. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. After effects of doing makeup videos, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. I hope to create more such wonderful videos for you all, and I want to show you my techniques, my take on makeup and skincare, and a lot of reviews. So let's get started. Taking a light color concealer, I am applying it all over my eyes, going little up as well till my brow bone, and applying it under the eye as well to create a clean canvas. Now I am taking my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered, and I'm taking the color Sandalwood. Now I am applying it on my crease using a fluffy blending brush, and diffusing the color inwards using very gentle light strokes. Now I am taking the color called RICHIE from the same palette, and after dabbing off the excess, I am applying it all over my lid using gentle strokes and a small brush. Going back to the same old fluffy brush, I am blending both the colors so that it looks graded. Now I am taking Sandalwood, and I'm mixing that with RICHIE and Fling using a teeny mini brush, and I'm applying it under my eyes. Grabbing Fling, a subtle purple glittery shade, applying it all over my eyelids. Brown color pencil from Miss Claire. Using this as an eyeliner, a very subtle eyeliner. Now taking my favorite Maybelline gel liner, I am applying it on my waterline to intensify and define the eyes. Now taking my absolutely favorite mascara of all time, Maybelline Falsies, and applying it on my top as well as bottom eyelashes. Taking my Neutrogena makeup remover on a cotton pad, I am removing any fallouts under the eyes. Taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which is a true match to my complexion, I am applying it under the eyes very carefully so that I don't spoil the eyeshadows applied. I'm working in a triangular shape, and any excess I am dragging it down and blending it outwards. Up next, taking a spoolie, I'm dragging my hair down. This is what Lisa did so that you can see the empty spaces and fill in accordingly. I think which is brilliant. Now, using my A-Tar cream by Elizabeth Arden, I am going to apply it on my eyebrows to shape them better. It will also work as a wax, so if you do not have this cream, you can probably use a Pear's soap, which Lisa used in her tutorial, or an eyebrow wax or a Vaseline as well. Remember, back in the 80s, eyebrows used to be very bold and strong. Grabbing my MAC compact powder, I will be applying it all over my face, and I'm not using any foundations here because Lisa did not use any. And after this, I'm gonna set that with a fluffy brush. Do not forget your hairline, your neck and your ears, guys. Taking a very hot pink blush from Wet n Wild, I am not applying it underneath my cheekbones but on top of my cheekbones, and this is what Lisa did. Just a flush of color. Same blush around the eyes as well. Taking my Milani bronzer, I am applying it under my eyes to create depth. Now grabbing my Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Raspberry Syrup. This is a very beautiful pink fuchsia kind of a color, suits all skin types. I'm applying it using a lip brush. However, Lisa used a lip pencil, and I like to outline my lips a little bit more to create a definition. Now I'm taking my Maybelline highlighter in Molten Gold and applying it on top of my nose. And we are done, guys. I thank you so much for staying till the very end, and I hope you have enjoyed the video. And I absolutely love Lisa Eldridge, and in the future as well I intend to create more such fabulous video for you all. So I'll see you in my next video. Gotta remove this. Bye.
Great, and it's fun. It's only makeup. Wear it one night and wash it off.
The fuchsia's bright.
The fuchsia is very bright.